Okay, so this is a video to show off another C. Davis LC machine. Unlike the other LC videos that are up on YouTube and on our website, this LC was ordered with all the bells and whistles. So this is about as tricked out as you can make a LC for Deutsch. I'm going to switch it on and you will see that it has a touchscreen PLC, which we offer as an option. I'm going to choose English as the language. It'll tell me that it needs an initial cycle to start it, so I'll do that. Now you can see the touchscreen menu pop up. And I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to show you more of the touchscreen interface and some of the other features first. But I guess the thing that is the most important is that this machine will run all the parts that are Deutsch Size 16. So here are some the standard 20 to 16 gauge wire Deutsch 16 pins and sockets. This machine will run both of these. It will also run the 14 gauge Deutsch 16 pins and sockets. So pretty much anything that says Deutsch 16 on it can be processed by this machine. You will need to remove the parts from the bowl to switch from one electrical contact to the other. But once the parts are out, you can just pour in the correct size. It'll work with all of the different sized wire without having to change out the funnels. And so it's a very capable machine. Operation is very straightforward. You can see that I started the cycle with the pedal. It has fired a contact up to the funnels. I insert a wire, and I have a terminated wire. So that is basically how the LC machine operates for the operator. Once the proper parts are loaded, your crimping wires, it's very fast, it's very efficient. It is doing a correct crimp because this is the Deautsch hand tool, the HDT-48-00, and we just take that tool and feed parts to it and power it so you have a powered semi-automatic crimp. So I'm going to zoom in on different parts of the machine and show you a little bit more. Okay, so I have zoomed way in on the machine so you can see the screen of the PLC here. This is a touchscreen HMI, human machine interface. And when you are running the machine, it's just giving you basic information like whether the slide is full, whether there's a contact at the funnels, whether the air gate sensor is seeing anything, you can switch the machine on and off from here, but where it gets more interesting is if you go into the maintenance menu. I have to stop it first. And you can manually actuate any of the various mechanical features here for purposes of maintenance and troubleshooting. You can also have a readout that shows you every single one of the sensors and what it's seeing. And you can go in deeper and you can adjust the various timer parameters all here. Now, we don't recommend that you change the timer parameters unless you know what you're doing. You can make the machine not run if you don't know what you're doing. But they are all adjustable in here, and some of our customers know our equipment very well and like to make it run as fast as possible in their particular environment, and we encourage that. The thing about the touchscreen that's even more useful is the fact that it has diagnostic troubleshooting. So if something goes wrong, the screen is going to tell you that something is wrong and tell you what is wrong and then give you ideas about how you might be able to fix that. Another upgrade on this machine is the air filter regulator setup. These are from Festo. They're very high quality. And you've got two gauges on here. One of them is showing you the pressure at the wall, and the other one is showing you the regulated pressure. You've got a moisture trap filter here, and then you have a cutoff here. This particular regulator allows you to lock it in place. You can keep your people from messing with it by tagging it like that. But it's an excellent unit. They're not very expensive, and we encourage people to choose this option, but it is an optional upgrade on the LC. This LC for the Deutsch Size 16 is one of our bowl-mounted stainless steel escapements, and you can see by the machining marks on it, they're beautifully made. Our shop is doing a great job with them, and you know, this type of striping is what you normally see on a high-end Swiss watch, and we're getting it for our mechanisms. In addition to looking beautiful, they're very reliable, and the stainless steel is hard and it lasts a very long time. Another thing that users of our legacy equipment will recognize is the funnels and the funnel jaw assembly here, but what you may not recognize is the new form factor. We have upgraded the design of the funnels and funnel jaws. Now the funnels themselves are the same. They're the same beautifully machined wire guide funnels that we've been using for decades. However, we are now building the funnel jaw assembly around a very high quality gripper cylinder, and I'm going to go into the maintenance menu and I'm going to open and close this so you can see. But the jaws are mounted on the little fingers of the gripper, which sit inside of a linear bearing, and so it is very smooth and high quality. It has an adjustable stop on it, so you open just enough but not too much. It also has a sensor on it that's integrated into the cylinder, so the PLC knows when the funnels are open or closed, and that is an additional safety to make sure that a part is never fired when the funnel is open, because it would have the potential to hit the operator if the funnels weren't closed. So that's an additional safety feature of the new funnels, but the increased rigidity and reliability of the bearing-based cylinder is also a big upgrade. So we're really proud of the new funnel design. You know, the old funnels had worked very well for over 30 years, but we're always trying to make stuff better around here, and this was something that was a big improvement.